Backyard fun, exploring outdoor activities. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and exciting phrase, backyard fun. This is a term you might hear quite often, especially when people are talking about relaxing or enjoying themselves at home. Let's dive in and explore what this means and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. Firstly, let's break down the term. A backyard is an open area behind a house, often covered with grass, where people can relax, play, and do other activities. In different countries, it might be called a garden or a lawn. It's a personal space, usually private, where families enjoy outdoor time. Now, let's talk about fun. Fun refers to enjoyment, amusement, or light-hearted pleasure. When we combine it with backyard, we're talking about enjoyable activities that you can do outside your house in the backyard. So what counts as backyard fun? It could be anything from having a barbecue with friends, playing fetch with your dog, to lying in a hammock reading a book. Children might have fun in a backyard by playing in a sandbox or on a swing set. It's all about casual, home-based enjoyment. Let's put it into practice. You can say, "I'm having some backyard fun this weekend with my family." Or ask someone, "Do you want to come over for some backyard fun?" It's a versatile phrase that you can use in many contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand what backyard fun means and how you can use it. Remember, learning English can be as enjoyable as having your own backyard fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. Until next time, have fun learning.